Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your headphones JBL TUNE 770. To enable or disable special audio, we need to enter into developer options. If you don't know how to enable developer options for your device, you can find video at the How to Set Info channel, how to enable it on your device. Now, once you did it, we need to go to the settings, then system, so scroll down, system. Right here you need to scroll down again, and here it is, we have developer options. Tap at this line, and now you can or scroll down and you need to find HD audio, or you can also use the search at the right top, and you can write HD right here. Here it is, HD audio, what located in the developer options. So to disable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it, if the slider have colorful background. Once you disable HD audio, you will use now SBC Bluetooth audio codec, what the most common codec. And to enable HD audio, you need to tap one time at the slider, if the slider have empty background. Once you enable HD audio, you can now swap between Bluetooth audio codecs. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!